The successful practice of precision ag allows one to identify variability throughout a field and seek answers as to the cause of spatial trends. SST's suite of tools allows you to consistently collect and record field operations, optimize product applications, detect crop threats at an earlier stage, and ask powerful, yield-determining analytical questions. Collecting field boundaries is the starting point in site-specific farming. Summit makes the collection of field boundaries easy with its digitizer tool. By using high-resolution, geo-referenced imagery, you can quickly locate your fields and digitize precise boundaries. Once the field boundaries have been obtained, the next step is to start collecting site-specific records of the operations performed on your fields. Whether you collect the records within Summit or use Stratus, the handheld field device, the data is recorded using the standardized AgX database. This consistency in data acquisition plays a vital role in allowing you to generate powerful information reports across your farms and data communities. Since the collection of farm data often involves a team approach, SyncNow simplifies the exchange of information between Summit users who have a working interest on a specific field, from soil sampling to lab results, to the creation of nutrient surface maps with corresponding site-specific product applications, to crop scouting and yield reports. SyncNow allows you to effortlessly gather these field records into your Summit as they are produced. Because SyncNow offers near-instant exchange of data, it speeds up the productivity of your operation by preventing delays that occur from waiting on data, as well as eliminating tedious import processes. Throughout the growing season, there are environmental factors that will not only affect yield, but may interrupt your scheduled field service, such as weather. Within Summit, you can monitor these ever-changing conditions with regional and national radar maps that display the location of your fields, view infrared cloud maps, access government warnings, and view predictions of current storm potential. From the collection of soil test points to the creation of variability maps and the export of product application files, SST's tools automate data processing while allowing the application of your specific agronomy. Using Summit's product editor, you can select the fertilizer product of your choice, standard or custom, to create the site-specific product rec and export it to a choice of applicators. Following this, the logistics tool helps to organize your application orders and manage dispatch requests. Finally, the season peaks as we obtain our yield data. You can now start asking powerful yield-determining questions of your data, such as, what was my yield by soil type, or yield by hybrid and variety? Reports can also be generated showing yield by fertilizer treatment, nutrient application, and yield by various management zones. But you are not limited to viewing yield as a single snapshot in time. Multiple years of harvest data can also be combined to create multi-temporal maps, showing spatial trends throughout your fields. A yield spatial trends map will show you whether the average yield in a particular portion of the field tends to be high or low. These spatial trends can then become management zones. A yield stability map will show you how stable each section of your field is from year to year, regardless of the crop. For instance, you may have some portions of the field that yield very high in some years and very low in others, whereas other zones may not bring the highest yields, but they produce a consistent yield from year to year. Finally, reports can be generated that correlate fertility level in relation to yield. These reports can be created and delivered as map books of valuable information reports. Whether you are new to precision ag or have been collecting years of site-specific data, SST's suite of tools will optimize your data collection, planning, and information analysis. To get started with Summit and Stratus, download the 30-day trial at sstsoftware.com.